This video will be about the display configuration. So we'll click on configuration, then you will click on display configuration.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own wayprice labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande scales wayprice labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande scales wayprice labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your wayprice labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales wayprice labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales wayprice labeling product.
First thing you have here is your display layout. You can select how you want your display displayed. You have your large weight display. Most of the time we don't change these two settings. If you go to text and totals display, you go to text display. Right here you can see that on this here it's important that every time you print a label, whatever text number 2 is, as you can tell right here, see up in the top here it says smoked pork neck bones, which is your description. We always use as text field number 2 since that's a default in the machine. And then if you go under your first total window, here you can see you have your first total window here. You can take and turn these off to clean your display up, as you can see, like that. Then, or you can have them on, it doesn't matter. And then the next thing is, if you go under status display right here, see right here it says menu path display, it says with or without. This here allows you to see right here, depending on what display you have, how you got your display configured. A lot of displays are configured differently, but this menu path a lot of times will stay up all the time depending on which one you have. But if you turn it to without, then obviously you can see that you have lost it. It's usually best to keep it on so you know where you're at in the menu.